Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Regus, Offices and Meeting Rooms app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Regus is a workspace management app designed to help professionals book and manage offices, meeting rooms, and co-working spaces efficiently. The app integrates real-time availability, calendar syncing, notifications, and membership management all in one place. It also supports seamless communication with Regus locations and provides access to building resources for a smoother work experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its intuitive interface, easy room booking, and ability to coordinate team schedules effectively. It helps professionals save time, manage workspace needs on the go, and receive alerts for upcoming meetings or workspace changes. Many also like that it centralizes membership and booking information, reducing administrative hassle. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional delays in availability updates, limited premium features, and connectivity issues in certain locations. The app's full potential also depends on your subscription plan, and some features may feel restricted for non-members or casual users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Regus app may be worth using if you're a professional or business looking for flexible and organized workspace solutions. It shines in convenience, booking management, and integration with schedules. However, if you require fully unrestricted features or frequent access to multiple locations without membership, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.